Ooh, I was excited. This one was like 5 hours ago now. I had tech issues. It took a long time to get this shit going. Anyway, police surprised YouTuber WhistlinDiesel at airport for tax evasion. I really like his channel. The Cybertruck video put me on him, but he's cool.
January 22nd.
Well, getting arrested for tax evasion.
In 2026, officers at the Nashville International Airport were dispatched to intercept a passenger arriving on an international flight who had an active felony warrant out of Rutherford County, Tennessee. That passenger was 27-year-old Cody Detweiler, better known online as the automotive YouTuber WhistlinDiesel. Detweiler's warrant stemmed from an ongoing investigation by the Tennessee Department of Revenue. In November 2025, Detweiler was initially indicted in Williamson County on 2 felony counts of tax evasion. Investigators allege that Detweiler unlawfully bypassed state sales taxes by registering high-end vehicles, including a $400,000 Ferrari F8 Tributo under a Montana LLC, a practice commonly referred to as the Montana loophole.
No, that's legal though, isn't it? Like if it's a business use expense, like put it under your business, and so that people don't come after you, because if you don't own it, then your assets are safe. Like what? That's just what smart rich people do. I didn't think that was illegal.
While Detweiler bonded out following his first arrest at his home, the second encounter at the airport was triggered by a...
Wait, what? That doesn't make any sense.
...bypassed state sales taxes by registering high-end vehicles, including a $400,000 Ferrari.
Oh, because then you wouldn't pay sales tax at all. Oh. Ooh, yeah. On a 400G car, bro, what were you doing? Hold on. I'm glad I went back. What in the fuck?
A separate warrant. Because a second vehicle listed in the tax evasion indictment was purchased in a different jurisdiction, Rutherford County, authorities issued a new warrant for his arrest. Upon his arrival back in the United States, officers were waiting. The following
how long do you think they were sitting there waiting for him? Holy shit. Was that him right there? Dude, this is police release. I was about to like flip on police release because the other video we watched was bad and they don't do any charges, which pisses me the fuck off. I want to know how much these people go to jail for, you know? And then they post this like, I'm back on it. Does he know? He's got to know already. Bro, he's so nice though. This isn't going to be like a fight body cam or anything. Let me pass when he gets through. Right before.
Outside of that, for customs-related purposes, you are good to go. They'll let you know what else they can do. That's going to be dependent on being a police.
So that he knows where I'm at.
Yeah. Did you travel, or is there anybody else here?
That's my girlfriend.
Okay.
Yeah.
So our first question, because the jail won't take all of that.
Yeah, so my assistant is here waiting to help get this.
Okay.
So
Would
Your girlfriend be able to...
would she be able to track everything?
I mean, I can, like, maybe some random person can help her. It's just, it'd be 2
I'm
trips.
sure somebody probably will, but
Yeah, it'd be 2 trips.
I won't be able to let you help. That's it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Can I message?
Yeah, dude, this is the most boring, tame body cam ever. But I like him, so I'm interested to see what's going on.
My assistant to let them know.
Yeah. We'll go ahead and do that. Let you do that real quick. And then anything that you need to go with you, I'm assuming just your wallet and your phone. Is there anything else?
You got his passport.
There's my wallet, phone. Yeah, my passport too.
Just tell them to meet them at the information center right outside customs.
Sorry?
I think it's because he's like going international. I don't think they would catch you. Well, no, they probably still would catch you if you're going like to a different state. Yeah, but this is going to be so boring. He's so like compliant and nice. Like he's not going to like crash out. The officers are probably excited to meet him. I mean, if anything, this is going to be super boring.
For pain in the butt.
All right, brother.
So we're going to do these zip cuffs.
Okay.
If you want to go ahead and turn around for me. Put your hands together like you're praying. Slide this over.
Damn, those are thick. Damn, those are thick. Those look like you couldn't break out of that shit for nothing.
Slide this over.
Bro, normal zip ties are like crazy hard to break. There ain't no fucking way you're getting out of that. Wow. Bro, Bro, they didn't even do him nice and put him in the front. That's crazy.
Sure, she gets to my assistant who's waiting out front.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
thank you. He's at baggage claim.
okay. Oh, yeah.
Do
Well,
they know each other?
They have each other's contact and they're messaging each other, so.
But she knows what he looks like. She knows
Yeah, dude, they're just coordinating what's gonna happen. Like, he's not gonna fight them or anything. Like, what? There's nothing to see really. He's just gonna be put in the car and then get booked into jail. Like, that's not exciting.
Him a tax bill or gave him the opportunity to pay the taxes owed prior to building a
Oh, what? Now they put updates at the end?
The front seat as well.
What?
That's all he's got with him.
As seen in the footage, Detweiler was handed over to a Rutherford County officer to be
Since
transported and
when?
processed on the outstanding warrant. He was subsequently released less than an hour later after posting a $25,000 bond. Following his release, Detweiler took to social media to voice his frustration, claiming that authorities never sent him a tax bill or gave him the opportunity to pay the taxes owed prior to building a criminal case against him. He also stated that the legal situation is about to escalate a whole...
Bro, that happens to people all the time. You get those notices in the mail and stuff, and then like they don't follow through with their end, so then you just get out of it because of that. Like, our shit is so messed up here. I just want to go to Guam. I've always wanted to go to Guam. I have no idea what's in Guam except bugs. I think there's a lot of bugs. Anyway, which I don't know which one I want